Good morning, students. In our first chapter, the chapter name is multimedia. We know about multimedia. Multimedia means what? Multiple plus media. Multiple plus media. Multiple means what? Multiple means more than one, and media means what? Medium. Text, multimedia have total 5 elements. How many elements? 5 elements. First is text, second is audio, mp3, video, mp4, graphics and animation. All these 5 elements make a single multimedia. All these 5 elements belongs to multimedia. It means what? More than one. Total 5, it means more than one. More than one medium means what? Text, audio, video, graphics and animation, all are known as medium, is used to communicate with each other, is known as multimedia. We have already know about text and audio. Now we have to see video, graphics and animation. Video, graphics and animation. In text is a very basic, and in text you know about text. In text, typeface is divided into two parts. How many parts? Two parts. First is serif and second is sans serif. Serif means what? With decoration, and sans serif means what? Without decoration, right? And in our second element, audio, there is a difference between sound and audio. Tell me, what is the difference between sound and audio? Sound, it means what? Sound, it means a meaningful speech in any language. Meaningful speech. If you want to communicate with me, if I want to communicate with you, then it is known as sound. And our sound is recorded in our computer or mobile phone, it become audio. Our sound is in analog form and video is in a digital form. Our two elements completed, and we are going to learn about our third element, that is image. Now image means graphics. Image means what? Graphics. Image means graphics means what? Images. Now images, we have to see about images. Images means graphics. There are two types of images. How many types? Two types. Text have two types. Images have two types. Animation have two types. So mind well, images have how many types? Two types. First type is bitmap or raster image. First type, that is bitmap or raster image. Mind well, bitmap or raster image. And second is vector image. Graphics or image, both are same. Graphics or image both are same. So images is divided into two portions. First is bitmap or raster and second is vector image. Now difference between bitmap or raster and vector, you can say it bitmap or raster, and second is vector. Difference between bitmap and raster. First of all, we have to see what do you mean by pixel. What do you mean by pixel? Pixel means what? Small dot on the computer screen. Small dots. Can you see it? It is known as pixel. More than one dots make a single picture. More than one dots. Can you see dots? It is known as pixel. Pixel is in RGB form. In which form? RGB. R stands for red, G stands for green, and B stands for blue. RGB, red, green and blue. Pixel. Small dots, can you see it? Small dots, it is known as pixel. Now we have to see the difference between bitmap, raster or vector and vector. Bitmap or raster images. How can you bifurcate bitmap image or vector image? First point, when you enlarging your image, when you are zooming your image, then your image, if your image turn into blur, it is known as bitmap image. Can you see? Blur image. When you enlarge means what? Zoom. When you are zooming your image and your image convert into blur image, then it is known as bitmap image. And vector image means what? Look the same. It means when you are enlarging your image, when you enlarge your image, when you are zooming your image looks the same, then it is vector image. Bitmap image and vector image, most important difference. In bitmap image, when you are enlarging your image and your image become blur, your images become blur, then it is known as bitmap image. When you are enlarging your image and your image looks the same, then it is known as vector image or vector graphics. Clear? Bitmap image means what? Image is blur થાય. Vector images means what? Image blur થતી નથી. It means looks the same as it is દેખાય. બરાબર? Most important difference. Second difference. To store pictures, computer uses pixel map. If the picture is a bitmap or raster image, then it is stored in a computer in pixel map. Pixel map means what? Pixel means what? First of all, tell me pixel means what? Pixel means small dot on computer screen. Small dots on a computer screen is known as pixel. Pixel map. Map means naksho. Map means what? Naksho. If your picture stored inside your computer as a pixel map, means what? Pixel. It means dot. And map means naksho. If your image is stored like pixel map, then it is known as bitmap or raster. Map means what? Map is a two-dimensional matrix of this dot. Two-dimensional matrix means what? X axis and Y axis. Two-dimensional means what? X and Y axis. Three-dimensional means what? X, Y and Z axis. Clear? Bitmap image. How can you say that this is an image of bitmap, and how can you say that it is a vector image? If your image stored inside your computer in the form of pixel map. Pixel means what? Small dots on computer screen. And map means what? Map is a two-dimensional matrix. Two-dimensional, it means what? Why we are calling two-dimensional? Because it have two dimension. First is X and second is Y. That's why we are calling two-dimensional matrix. If your picture stored inside your computer as a pixel map, then it is known as bitmap image. Another form of image generated by computer is vector graphics. They store the images in mathematical equation. Vector, in your physics lesson, vector, can you say vector graphics? Can you see vector graphics? Have you ever heard about it? This word vector in your physics? Vector means what? If you want to store your image in mathematical calculation, if you want to store your images as a mathematical calculation, then it is known as vector graphics. Means what? In short, I can tell you that there are two types of images. How many images? Two types. First is bitmap, second is vector. Bitmap means what? Bitmap means all your images stored inside your computer as a pixel map. How they are arranged inside your computer? They are arranging inside your computer as a pixel map. So it is known as bitmap. And in vector, if you want to store your images as a mathematical equation, then it is known as vector. If you want to store your images as a pixel map, then it is known as bitmap image. And most important difference, bitmap image, and when you enlarging your image will become blur, and in vector graphics, when you enlarging your image looks the same. Clear? Difference between bitmap and vector. Now example of your images. .gif. Dot, it means extension. Dot means what? Extension. .gif, .jpeg, .tif, .png, you all know about it. .png, .jpeg, .gif and .tif, etc. all are the images. Example, most common image is .jpg, most common image. Now scanner means what? Scanner help us to convert photographs into digital format. if you want to scan your photographs in digital format, then you have to use scanner. Printer, if you want to print your pages, if you want to print your document, then you have to use printer. And scanner, it means what? If you want to scan your photographs into digital format it means what? In computer. digital waves શેમાં હોય? કમ્પ્યુટરમાં. So if you want to convert your photographs into digital format, then you have to use scanner. So our third element, that is graphics, is over. Graphics. Now fourth, video, and fifth, animation. Video, that is MP4. Any static presentation become live by adding a video. If you want to become your presentation live, if you want to create your presentation live, then you have to use video. Video means MP4. And fifth is animation. Animation, it means what? It represents a visual change over time. Our lesson number 2, 3, 4, 5, all lesson belongs to visual and animation. Our all 4 lesson belongs to animation. We have to do some practicals for animation. The second, third, fourth, and fifth all lesson practical lesson, and we have to do animation practical. So animation means what? So animation means it represents visual change over time. Visual change. Visual, it means you can see. Visual changes over time. When time changes, you can see visual changes. You can see the changes. It is known as animation. Now tell me the difference between video and animation. Tell me the difference between video and animation. Can you tell me? What is the difference between video and animation? Video, it means natural video. For example, you want to capture a video of the dog. You are capturing a video of the dog. When you are capturing the video of the dog, when dog is running, you want to capture a video, that is natural video. For example, જ્યારે કૂતરું ભાગે છે ને તમે વિડીયો કેપ્ચર કરો છો તો તે ઓરિજિનલ વિડીયો છે. એટલે કૂતરું ભાગતું હોય તો ભાગતું જ દેખાય, બેસેલું હોય તો બેસેલું દેખાય, સૂતેલું હોય તો સૂતેલું દેખાય. પણ એનિમેશનમાં એવું નથી. એનિમેશનમાં તમારે કૂતરાને સ્ટોપ કરવો હોય તો તમે જાતે સ્ટોપ કરી શકો, એને ભગાવવો હોય તો તમે એને ભગાવી શકો, એને ઊભું રાખવું હોય તો તમે ઊભું બી રાખી શકો, એને બેસાડવું હોય તો તમે બેસાડી બી શકો. શેમાં? એનિમેશનમાં. So the difference between video and animation is that video, if you want to capture a video, then it is a natural video. You can't change inside your natural video. But in animation, you can change your animation. How can you change it? In your second chapter, third chapter, fourth chapter, and fifth chapter, second, third, fourth, fifth lesson, all lesson belongs to animation, and I will tell you how to apply animation. Do you know about animated movie, animated cartoon? All cartoon belongs to all cartoon based on animation. Animation is a man-made. એનિમેશન માણસે બનાવેલું છે, એટલે માણસ એને ચેન્જ કરી શકે, હ્યુમન ચેન્જ કરી શકે, જ્યારે વિડીયોને નહીં કરી શકે. બરાબર? એનિમેશન have two types, 2D animation and 3D animation. 2D animation, it means x axis and y axis, and 3D it means what? x, y and z axis. બરાબર? 2D animation, example of 2D animation, it means macromedia flash. પ્રાઇમરીમાં macromedia flash આવી જાય છે, maybe Cinefix Studio and Pencil. Second, third, fourth, and fifth lesson belongs to Cinefix Studio, that is animation. Cinefix Studio. All these example of 2D animation, and example of 3D animation is Maya Blender. All these software belongs to 3D animation, but in our syllabus we have to learn 2D animation, that is Cinefix Studio. Clear? Now classification. There are two types of classification. Classification means what? So classification, it means communication. Classification of multimedia, it means I will tell you later. First of all, interactive classification have two types. First is interactive and second is non-interactive. Interactive, it means what? two-way communication. If I want to communicate with you, if you want to communicate with me, then it is known as interactive communication. Two-way communication. Two-way communication, it means what? Two-way, it means બંને side communication. And non-interactive communication, it means what? One-way communication. One-way communication, it means એક જ person બોલે, બીજા બધા સાંભળે. For example, I want to explain something to you. Then I am speaking. Then interactive two-way communication. Two-way communication, that is interactive, and one-way communication, that is non-interactive. Interactive, in interactive communication હું બોલું છું, તમે પણ બોલો છો. Two-way communication, non-interactive means હું એકલી બોલું છું, તમે નથી બોલતા, યા તો તમે બોલો છો, હું નથી બોલતી. That is non-interactive. So all our elements of multimedia, that is text, audio, video, graphics and animation, is over here. Text means text have two types. First is serif, second is sans serif. Serif means with decoration, sans means without decoration. Both these words come from French language. Second is audio, that is MP3. The difference between sound and audio: sound, it means what? Our actual voice. And our actual voice, when we are recording our actual voice in computer or in our mobile, it becomes audio. So that is MP3. We can only see, we can only hear it, we can't see it. Video means what? Live, natural video, that is MP4. We can see it, we can hear it. Fourth is graphics, that is images. Images have two types, that is bitmap or raster image or vector image. Bitmap or raster image, second vector image. Bitmap or raster image means what? When we are enlarge our image, when we are enlarging our images, then our image become blur. And in vector image looks the same. So most important difference, bitmap and vector. Our fifth point, that is animation, that it have two type, 2D and 3D. 2D means x and y axis, and 3D means x, y, z, 3 axis. So our first lesson, theory of our first lesson is complete over here. You have to learn my notes, and in our computer paper MCQ will be asked. So we have to practice for MCQ. We have to practice MCQ for all the lesson.